Oh, wow! Giant candy bar! Kelly! And Mary! I knew you two would be here! But there's only one candy! Gah! Girls! No! Hey, that works! Yum! No, not yum! Kelly's got cardboard, while Mary's got gigantic chocolatey goodness! Oh yeah, baby! Welcome! Let the games begin! Incoming! Mary's got chocolates, and Kelly, a unicorn bubble pop! Oh well, satisfying fidget toy is good enough for me! What a blast! But Kelly would still like some of that waffle chocolate. Are they the cookie edition too? Oh my! Go for it, Mary! That looks delectable! Oh yeah! Chomp! Chomp! Idea! Hey, where'd all those fidgets come from? I don't know, but I'm all for it. Let's get to poppin', huh? Yes, right! M&M's! All right. Chocolate sauce, please! So good! Kelly pours the chocolate all into the poppets. This should be interesting. Okay, now we wait for the chocolate to harden. Mary, look! That's right! We've made chocolate bars of our own. Rainbow yumminess! Mary is now jelly of Kelly. It's time to munch on! Oh, wow! Those rainbow chocolates match your toys! How cool! Oh yeah, better than ever! Mary sees the mouth-watering display. Oh yeah, I feel you, girl. I'm getting hungry just watching. What is Kelly doing now? Hey, watch it! Trying to chillax over here. Sorry. Check out all those forms. I like the unicorn one the most. The heart isn't half bad either. Oh yeah. Ready? Holy giant macaroon! Yum, yummy, yummy! Kelly's got many little guys. And they're oh so good! Try a blue one! Yes! Okay, Mary, bite! It's a pillow! Ew, ew, ewy! So I see Mary's got the faker. What a bummer. Meanwhile, Kelly's having a field day over here. The fun is endless! Mary? Oh, Kelly! Take a look! Spinny thingy is putting you into a deep trance. And now to take care of these leftovers. We won't leave you with nothing. Nighty-night, candy princess! What in the… Earthquake! Oh no! That's no earthquake. Those are just Kelly's earth-shattering snores. Jeez, girl. I'd give up on those treats, PT Dubs. Kelly! Wakey wakey! Please! Ready? 2 iPads! Cool beans! They both look real! Oh my, wait just a moment. Kelly's is looking a little strange. That's because it's no iPad. It's candy! Awesomeness! How cool is that? Mary, go! Nope, no luck. Yeah, prob's not a good idea to eat electronic devices. But hey, you got Subway Surfers? A plant? Huh. Smile! Did you notice that? The flower changed. What's the difference, you may ask? The iPad's got a special candy-fying application. Turn your greatest goods into cake, shakes, chocolates. Absolutely anything your heart desires. People excluded, I think. I hope. The flower's the best part. What's up next? These pumps. Snap that pig. Candy shoe! Yes, yes! Let's start with that heel. It's as good as can be. And a bit off the front. Kelly is jelly. She decides to grab a little cupcake. And tells Mary to try her app on it. It changed colors! Amazing! Try it! Wait a darn second. It's soap! Nice one, Kelly Cat. But get ready for the unexpected bubble bath. No, no! So soapy! That was quite the outcome. Way to go, Kels! What's up next? Yummy savory onion chips and real-life onions? Ugh, poor Kels. Lucky Mary. Let's get to these chippies. Let's go ahead and get this terribleness over with. Mary surpassed us by miles. She's got sauces left and right. That's it. That's the perfect ingredient to make her meal complete. Poor Kelly. Time to power through. Oh man, you are my hero. Ah, no! Sniffle, sniffle. Don't cry, miss. All done here. You finished the whole plate. Oh man! Kelly, your onion breath is… Well, I think Mary's outfit tells us everything we'd want to say about it. And no, I don't think we can dig into those rings in that outfit. It is really that bad. But now, I believe you can get to those rings no prob. Sorry, Mary. Use the stinky breath. Nice one. Enjoy your treat. Treat time! Pizza! Holy smokes! It's huge! For real! Say no more, but a cheesy treat is not in the cards for Miss Mary. All right, Corduroy, enjoy your cardboard slice. Topped off with buttons. Now, Kelly, see if you'll have some luck. She's about to take a normal slice. That's a good sign. Sorry, Mary. She tries again. Mary, are your hands turning pizza to cardboard? Oh gosh, you'd better stop wasting. Another Kel? Or two? Hey! Exclaims Mary. What, not like you were gonna eat them. An interception by Mary. Oh my! You turned Kelly into a mannequin! Bingo! Thank you, Kelly. This is much appreciated. Can't believe that worked. Round two? You know it. Enjoy. And don't forget to unfreeze Kels. Right! Welcome back, mannequin girl. You've missed quite a bit. Food? Burger-tacular! I mean, wow! Mary's got lunch to feed a kingdom. Cooked to perfection. Gummy stack. The most unconventional lunchtime ever. Does this count as a dessert or lunch? Nah, let's not get too philosophical here. Sorry, Red. She totally didn't mean to. Try numero dos. Again? Sorry, Mare. We're as confused as you are. We've got to come up with another way. Hey, at least Mare wised up and got a shield. And an idea. Catch him, if you can. Okay, yes, we're almost full. Yes! Now the final touch. Spinner good. Burger gummy smoothie. Trust me, guys, and Kelly, you won't want to miss this. It's almost done. Over here. What a perfect orange color. Ah, pour it up. Ooh, gooey goodness. Now a straw. The ultimate burger meal. Sorry, Kels. You snooze, you lose. Ready, girls? Gumball machine of doom! And one of dreams. Oh, sorry, Mary. It's time to hit those artichokes. But I'm not paying a quarter for that monstrosity. Can't blame ya. And bite. Not good. Kelly, give us sweet relief. I can't wait. Gummy gumball time. Those colors are cray. More, more. Nicely done, girlfriend. Is it just about bubble time? Watch this. Bubble time. What are you thinking? A pump? She sticks it in Kelly's bubble. And pump, pump it up. Oh man, this is crazy. I can hardly see our girl. Is she… Oh my god, she's floating! That's a one-way ticket for Mary to Bubbletown. Thank you so much, Kel. Here come the bloopers. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Be sure to tune in and hit that bell button for notifications. Until next time, sign the crew.